Are you a good boy? So I have a little cake here. And there's Coco being patient. Okay. Good boy. Okay, I have another piece of cake. There it is. Behave, Coco. You have to wait. Okay, baby? I know you're hungry, but you have to be patient. Okay. Good boy. Coco sits beside me as I work. Or he sleeps beside me. Right, Coco? Good boy. Alright, rest. No more cake. The doctor says that we had him on our visit, on the yearly annual checkup on Saturday. The vet was being very, very politically correct. He said he's getting a bit round. So we have to watch his weight a little bit. Right, Coco? Coco? Yes. You should eat less now, okay? Say bye-bye.